Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Sarah Sajang Pratiwi from Accounting Study Program with NPM 234120008. Here I want to explain about basic concepts of environmental accounting. Next is basic concept of environmental accounting. The environment refers to everything surrounding an organization, including air, water, land, natural resources, living organisms, and their interaction. In business activities, the environment plays an important role because every operational activity inevitably creates impact. This impact can be the first positive impact and negative impact. What is negative and positive impact? Positive impact, job creation and economic growth, and negative impact, air pollution, production waste, and environmental damage. Therefore, companies need to manage this impact responsibly, and no one way to do this is through environmental accounting. Next is definition of environmental accounting. Environmental accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, and recording environmental costs and integrating them into business decision making and reporting. In simple terms, environmental accounting is accounting that considers environmental impact. Its main focus include the first environmental cost, the second impact of business activities, and the last is information for stakeholder. The next is aspect of environmental accounting. Environmental accounting involves adapting traditional accounting system to include environmental consideration. Science conventional accounting often integrate environmental impact. Environment are necessary. Key aspects include the first, identifying negative environmental impact of business activities. The second is evaluating weaknesses in conventional accounting system. The third is developing environmentally friendly accounting system. The fourth is identifying environmental cost and benefit. And the last is preparing internal and external environmental report. Next is function of environmental accounting. Environmental accounting has two main functions. The first is internal function and the second is external function. In internal function, this function support internal management such as decision making, controlling environmental costs, and improving operational efficiency. And the second is external function. In external function, this function relates to external stakeholders such as providing information to the public, ensuring transparency, and building big public trust. Next is objective of environmental accounting. Environmental accounting is implemented to support sustainable business practice. Its main objectives are the first, to evaluate environmental performance. The second is to determine environmental management costs. The third is to support sustainable business planning. And the last is to communicate with the public and stakeholder. Next is the role of accountant in environmental issue. Accountant play an important role in implementing environmental accounting. They are not only responsible for financial records but also for identifying and managing environmental costs. Their roles include the first, identifying environmental costs such as waste, legal, and sanitation, and the second, integrating environmental issue into financial report. The third, developing systems such as eco-balance sheet, and the last is supporting sustainable decision making. Is environmental accounting information. Environmental accounting produce information that help organization understand how their activity affect the environment. This information can be used by both internal management and external stakeholders to evaluate environmental performance. Environmental accounting information generally include the first, environmental costs related to product activities; the second, environmental investment for pollution prevention; the third, waste management and recycle costs; and the last, environmental liabilities and remediation costs. This information allow companies to monitor environmental impact and take corrective action when necessary. Next is environmental cost identification. One of the most important steps in environmental accounting is identifying environmental costs. Many environmental costs are hidden within general operational expenses, which make them difficult to detect using traditional accounting system. Environmental costs can include the first, waste treatment cost; the second, pollution control cost; the third, environmental training and awareness program; the fourth, environmental compliance and legal costs; and the last is environmental monitoring and reporting costs. By identifying these costs clearly, companies can manage environmental expenses more effectively. The next is environmental accounting and sustainable development. Environmental accounting supports the concept of sustainable development, which means meeting present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Through environmental accounting, companies can: the first, use natural resources more efficiently; the second, reduce environmental pollution; the third, promote environmentally friendly product process; and the last is balance economy, social, and environmental goals. In this way, environmental accounting can become an important tool in achieving sustainable development. The next is environmental accounting in business strategy. Environmental accounting can also be integrated into business strategy. Companies that adopt environmental accounting often develop strategies to reduce environmental impact while improving business performance. Examples include: the first is using cleaner production technology; the second is implementing energy efficiency program; the third, developing environmentally friendly product; and the last is improving waste management system. These strategies not only protect the environment but also increase competitiveness and long-term business sustainability. And next is importance of environmental awareness in organization. For environmental accounting to be effective, organization must build strong environmental awareness among employees and management. This can be achieved through: and the first is environmental training program; the second is environmental management system; the third, corporate environmental policy; and the last is employee participation in environmental initiative. When environmental awareness becomes part of organizational culture, companies are more likely to implement environmental accounting successfully. And the last is closing. Environmental accounting is an important approach that integrates environmental consideration into accounting and business decision making. It helps organizations identify environmental costs, measure environmental performance, and support sustainability development. By implementing environmental accounting, companies can improve environmental management, increase transparency, and contribute to long-term economic and environmental sustainability. I think that enough I presentation. If I there is mistake, I'm so sorry, and thank you very much for your nice attention. And finally, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.